welcome guys, welcome my besties, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. It's your girl Juliana, Empire Official. Yes, and I'm back with another amazing unboxing. So today we'll be unboxing a package from Amazon, and this is completely fully sponsored. Okay, so please go ahead and like, comment, or subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload. And if you want to know how to get a free gadgets, free stuff, go ahead and follow me on my Instagram page. So all across the platform is Juliana Empire Official. Go ahead and message me and I will definitely give you some tips on how to get free stuff. So today we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna jump right in. Yes, guys. So I don't have anything to cut it back. So hold on. I'm gonna go and get my scissors. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my scissors. Still open it. Guys, I don't know what's in this box, so I'm taking my time. Don't want to get cut. See, nearly stick myself. So, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh, hold on there. People. My nice, good things finally arrive. Oh my god. Let's go. So, first, let's. Oh my god. So, neck fan. This is a fan. See? And I will definitely put the name of the company that I got it from down in the description box. So let me see. Oh, let me see. Ah, look at that. Feel like AC. Managalai. It's cool. No, girl, somebody's. Hey, let me see. Okay. Oh, so the more you turn it up. Okay. So this is really cool. This is nice. This is really nice. Trust me, I'm loving this neck fan. As you guys can see. So there's the on button. So you turn it on. You turn it up. So that's F2. F3. And it's off. So it's from F1, F2, F3. And this is the card that they send to charge it. So you can plug it in your laptop to charge. You can use any other charger head to charge this. And I'm loving this neck fan. Trust me, guys, go ahead and check out the link down in the description box so you guys can go ahead and purchase your neck fan. This is really affordable, guys. Trust me, you will definitely love this fan. It's a bonus. It's money well spent. And I've made the right choice by ordering this neck fan. It was one of the best thing that I have ever done. Yes. So what are you guys waiting for? Go ahead and make your purchase. So I want you guys to click on the link in my bio to go ahead and get this neck fan. Okay? Peace out.